Hello and welcome back to Way to Ageless. Today we are diving deep into the heart of our kitchens, exploring the world of cooking oils and unraveling the mysteries surrounding their impact on our health. Cooking with oil has been a staple in kitchens worldwide for centuries, adding flavor, texture, and richness to our favorite dishes. However, in recent years, concerns have emerged about the health implications of using certain types of oils in our cooking. In this video, we will delve into the various types of fats, the potential issues with polyunsaturated fats, the dangers associated with vegetable oils, and explore healthier alternatives such as coconut oil, butter, olive oils, and lard. Before we embark on this flavorful journey, let's lay down the foundation by understanding the different types of fats that play a crucial role in our culinary adventures. There are saturated fats, solid at room temperature and often derived from animal products. On the flip side, we have unsaturated fats, liquid at room temperature, which include both monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. And, of course, the infamous trans fats, artificially created through a process called hydrogenation. Now, let's talk about the problem with polyunsaturated fats, particularly those omega-6 fatty acids. While they are essential for our bodies, it's all about maintaining the right balance with omega-3 fatty acids. An imbalance, often fueled by the excessive consumption of polyunsaturated fats found in soybean, corn, and sunflower oils, can lead to chronic inflammation. And you know what that means: increased risks of cardiovascular diseases and other inflammatory conditions. Now, let's talk about the dangers lurking in vegetable oils. Vegetable oils, often marketed as heart-healthy options, can pose health risks when used for cooking at high temperatures. Many vegetable oils, such as canola, soybean, and corn oil, contain a high percentage of polyunsaturated fats. When these oils are exposed to heat, they can undergo oxidation, leading to the formation of harmful compounds such as free radicals. Free radicals are known to contribute to oxidative stress in the body, which is associated with various diseases, including cancer and neurodegenerative disorders. Cooking with vegetable oils at high temperatures can also produce harmful substances like acrolein and aldehydes. These compounds have been linked to respiratory issues and may contribute to the development of chronic diseases over time. Additionally, the degradation of vegetable oils during cooking can lead to the formation of trans fats, which are known to increase the risk of heart disease. So, what's the solution? Fear not, my friends. Way to Ageless is here to guide you towards healthier alternatives that will keep your culinary adventures both delicious and nutritious. Let's kick off our culinary journey with the versatile coconut oil. Packed with saturated fats, it's a stable choice for high-heat cooking. But what sets it apart is the presence of lauric acid, linked to numerous health benefits, including immune system support. This tropical gem remains stable even under heat, preserving its nutritional goodness. Now, onto butter, a classic that deserves a fresh look, especially when it's the grass-fed variety. While high in saturated fats, moderation is the key. Grass-fed butter, enriched by the nutrients from pasture, offers not just flavor but also essential omega-3 fatty acids, contributing to heart health. Our journey takes us to the Mediterranean, where extra virgin olive oil reigns supreme. Ideal for low to medium heat, it's a rich source of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. This liquid gold not only enhances flavors but also supports heart health by lowering bad cholesterol levels. Surprisingly, lard, once shunned, is making a comeback, especially when sourced from pasture-raised pigs. Stable at high temperatures, it boasts a balanced mix of saturated and monounsaturated fats. The revival of lard aligns with a return to wholesome, traditional cooking practices. Cooking with oil is a fundamental aspect of culinary traditions worldwide, but not all oils are created equal. While polyunsaturated fats in vegetable oils can pose health risks when exposed to high heat, Healthier alternatives such as coconut oil, butter, olive oils, and lard provide stable and nutrient-rich options for your cooking needs. As with any dietary choice, moderation and a balanced approach are essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. In the end, it's all about making informed choices in the heart of our homes. Moderation, balance, and choosing the right oils can make our culinary adventures not only delightful but also conducive to a healthier, ageless lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on Way to Ageless. Until next time, stay vibrant, stay youthful, and keep exploring the path to ageless living.